Vi startar väl upp och så tar vi en liten runda. Lite då. Hi everybody, my name is Tomas and this is my car. I've been building for many years. I'm just going to go through the car, so I'm going to start with the doors. Yeah, this is the doors. The frame around the door is from a Honda Civic 92, and this is the mirror from a Audi TT. I make a mold and make it in carbon fiber. Also the handles also from a Honda Civic. The windscreen is from a SAAB 9598. Also the wipers, and they have a scoop on the roof for the intercooler. I'm gonna put in later. Also carbon fiber. This is the rims, rough racing, 255. 3519 Michelin. Homemade spotlights. Start inside. Panels in the doors, carbon fiber. Also this panel here, brake system, pedals, dashboard, iPad, four gears, seats, leather, engine bay, Ford V8, 32 valves, FR500 stuff inside it, valves and springs and lifters and everything. Just natural aspirated. Cash tank on that side. This is from R1 Yamaha. The springs, bumpery bump, homemade exhaust, 2-to-1, gearbox, Porsche 930 turbo. Yeah, you can see, I'll rename it Tomaso 1. Hardened glass, as you can see right through in. And this is the tail light original. The Tomaso Pantera. This is a Mustang 2005. Also this is a LED original for Sweden, E-marked. Venturi underneath, carbon fiber exhaust, look inside, this side, brake booster from Porsche, really good. iPad, the back camera,